recordings खत्म नहीं हो रहे ना. You are not able to finish off your recorded videos for CA inter audit or maybe for other subjects also. Then this is the last chance now to come and attend the live session for CA inter audit. Whether you want to attend in Hindi English mixed version or whether you want to attend 100% English version. All right. Last chance for CA inter audit, and don't worry, you will be given validity till November 23. All right. Batch starts from 5th March 2023 and will end as on 20th March 2023. So for the students who are struggling with second group, this is really their golden chance to finish off audit with live two-way interactions. And even if you miss the lectures, don't worry about it. After enrollment, you will be given recorded backup of the full syllabus. You can check the feedback of our toppers from the YouTube channel. I'm not saying I'm the best professor, all right, because I don't like to say it myself. But one thing is for sure, that I will stand with you. You will have interactions with me. You will have doubt solving with me. You will get the personal attention from my side. You can ask any student who has enrolled with us in the past about it. तो क्या सोच रहे हो यार? एक अच्छा सा अटेम्प्ट दो, एक अपना बेस्ट एफर्ट दो. हम क्लियर हो ही जाएंगे इन May 23. बट कम ऑन, दीज आर CA एग्जाम्स, नॉट जस्ट सम नॉर्मल ग्रेजुएशन कोर्स एग्जाम्स. तो अगर कुछ गड़बड़ होती भी है, you have validity till November 23, right? Then what are you waiting for? Please enroll. All right. Thank you so much.